Hey guys, Dr. Berg here. In this video, we're going to talk about dairy-free keto, okay? A lot of people have allergies to dairy, or they're lactose intolerant. To have a true allergy, it has to involve a protein. So the protein in dairy is casein and whey, so you can have an allergy to either one. If you're lactose intolerant, and then you don't have the enzyme to digest the milk sugar, okay? Or you could be sensitive to the quality of the dairy. There's hormones in there that your body's reacting to. A lot of dairy, most of it is fed with grains that are GMO. So there's a lot of problems with dairy, okay? Personally, I do very well with raw milk cheese that's grass-fed, it's organic, from Europe, okay? I can do that all day long, not a problem. So you may want to test the waters and see if you can tolerate that. The worst cheese on the planet is Velveeta cheese, okay, or processed cheese, American cheese. It is so filled with stuff that you don't want to consume, okay? But you may want to test the waters with grass-fed organic cream, for example, or grass-fed whole cream. You may be okay with that, but let's just say you're not. You have to have alternatives. Your alternative is basically coconut oil, coconut milk, coconut cream. You can use that. They have coconut cream for your coffee. You can use coconut oil in different keto bomb or keto cookies. You can make those, all right? You have the nut butters. You have the avocado. You have olives, olive oil, nuts, seeds, animal fats, ghee. Now, if you are lactose intolerant or allergic to the protein in dairy, you probably will be okay with ghee, because ghee is called clarified butter. It's basically the fat. They take all the solids out of it, so they take all the protein, the sugar out of it, and you're just left with the pure fat. Okay, you may be totally okay with that, in which case that would be a great fat to consume. But a lot of people are also sensitive to nuts. Okay, so that complicates things, because if we have to then take away the nuts or the nut butters, then we're left with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, okay, maybe 4 things. So it's tough. Now, if you are not doing dairy, can't do nuts, and you're vegan, that leaves us without this one right here and this one right here. So now you're left with just a couple things you can do. So it makes things more difficult. But there's always something that you can use as a substitute. But the point is that you're just going to have to be creative to find some alternative fats on keto, because there's no way you can do this on a low-fat diet. All right? Thanks for watching. Hey, before you go, definitely sign up for my free keto course. I put a link down below. It's on Messenger and Facebook, but it will give you all the basics. It's very quick. It's like 3 or 4 videos, and it's free. Check it out.